How to add account on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add account on WhatsApp. Now, to add account on WhatsApp is pretty simple. After the latest update, you can use two different accounts on WhatsApp. Now to do so, first you want to go ahead and you want to open up WhatsApp. Now make sure to update it if you haven't updated it. Now I'm not updating it because I had updated it before already. So once you do so, you want to tap on three dots option at the top right corner and then head into settings. Under settings, you will find the very first option that says account. You want to tap on it, and once you tap on it here, you can see the add account option there. You want to tap on it, and now tap on again add account, and it'll ask you to enter in your mobile number. You want to tap on agree and continue, enter in your phone number, country code, tap on next, go through the verification process, and you are good to go. Next time you can simply on your home page, on your chat page here, I'll just head back to chat page real quick. So the next time you want to switch account, you can simply tap on three dots option, and below settings you'll find the switch account option, which you can use to switch in between your accounts. So this way you can add account on WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.